You can increase the downloading speed in Google Chrome by only one single step. You do not need any third-party software or any other tricks to increase the downloading speed. So you just need to open your Google Chrome and type Chrome colon // flags. Once you have typed it, hit enter. The moment you do it, you will see a window like this, and here you need to search. So the moment you type parallel downloading, you will see enable parallel downloading to accelerate downloading speed on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android. You can do the same step in your Mac, Windows, Android. You just need to click on enable and just click on relaunch, and you have successfully increased the downloading speed of your Google Chrome. Now to check the downloading speed, please make sure that you close the Chrome and start a new download and then see the difference. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. I'll see you in the next video. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.